Today's study technique is about naming the rule before you use it. Whenever you sit down to solve a problem, the very first thing you say or write should be a full sentence naming which rule or theorem you are about to apply. This turns rule selection into an explicit, checkable step. Instead of quietly assuming which method applies and hoping it's correct, you state it up front, so a mistake in choosing the rule becomes visible and easy to catch. Let's see this in action with a worked example. We have a right triangle with legs of 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters, and we need to find the hypotenuse. Step 1. Name the rule in a full sentence. We say, the rule we are using is Pythagoras' theorem, and since the hypotenuse is the unknown side, we add the squares of the two legs. Now we substitute the numbers. 9 squared is 81, and 12 squared is 144. So we write 81 plus 144 equals 225. Finally, we take the square root of both sides. Square root of 225 gives us 15, so the hypotenuse is 15 centimeters. Now, let's look at the trip-up this technique prevents. If you skip naming the rule and jump straight into substituting numbers, you can get partway through the calculation and suddenly realize you're not sure whether you should be adding or subtracting the squares. Under time pressure, this uncertainty often leads to a guess, and that guess frequently reverses the correct operation. For example, subtracting when you should be adding, which gives completely the wrong answer even though the arithmetic itself was done carefully.
So here is the teaching tip. Make it a habit in every topic for every single problem to write the rule as a full sentence as the very first line of your working before you substitute a single number.
Do this consistently, and you build in a checkpoint that catches rule selection errors before they can quietly corrupt the rest of your calculation.